VeChain just landed a partnership that could redefine how millions verify their luxury athletic wear. We're talking Lululemon China, blockchain authentication, NFC tags, and, a potential breakout pattern that has traders licking their chops. While VET bleeds with the rest of the altcoin market, one analyst spots a bullish pennant that could send this token up 27% in days. Is this the real-world adoption catalyst crypto has been waiting for, or just another headline that fades into the void? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of vaporware projects and want to see blockchain actually solving real problems, you're in the right place. Do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next breakdown. Let's get into it. VeChain's ToolChain platform just partnered with Lululemon in mainland China, and this isn't some fluffy announcement. Every jacket, every pair of leggings, every overpriced hoodie will now carry a blockchain-verified digital identity through QR codes and NFC tags. Why does this matter? Because counterfeit goods accounted for 2.3% of global imports in 2021. That's nearly $467 billion in fake products flooding the market, according to the OECD. Fashion brands are bleeding revenue, and VeChain just handed them a blockchain band-aid. Sunny Liu, VeChain's CEO, says brands can now safeguard their reputation and deliver greater value by ensuring every product is verifiable and authentic. Translation: no more fake Lululemon flooding the resale market. This is real utility, not some metaverse pipe dream. VeChain has been grinding since 2015, onboarding over 300 enterprises since 2017, and now they're embedding blockchain into one of the world's most recognizable athleisure brands. But here's where it gets interesting, and a little concerning. VET is currently trading at 1.7 cents, down 2% over the past week. Daily trading volume dropped 31.67% to just $30.1 million. That's ice-cold volume for a project announcing major enterprise adoption. The market is basically shrugging at this news like it's Tuesday. Either investors are asleep at the wheel, or they're waiting for something bigger to confirm the trend. Meanwhile, VeChain is stacking wins behind the scenes. Messari's Q2 report highlights the Renaissance upgrade with Galactica, which brought full EVM compatibility and 100% VTHO base fee burns. Their new StarGate staking program uses NFT-based rewards, and apps like Mugshot and Greencart each surpassed 1 million users. VTHO transaction fees climbed 9.2%, and EVM gas usage jumped 10.4%. On-chain activity is accelerating, but price action, it's flatter than a pancake under a steamroller. So what gives? Why is VET bleeding when fundamentals are improving? According to crypto analyst Crypto AI by Klondike, VET is forming a bullish pennant on the 4-hour chart, a technical pattern that typically precedes explosive upside moves. Klondike recommends a long position at $0.0173, stop loss at $0.0165, and a price target of $0.022. If that plays out, we're looking at a 27% gain in the short term. That's not life-changing money, but for swing traders, it's a clean setup with defined risk. Here's my take. VeChain is doing everything right from a fundamentals perspective. They're not chasing hype cycles or launching meme coins, they're embedding blockchain into supply chains for billion-dollar brands. The Lululemon partnership proves enterprise adoption is real, and the on-chain metrics back it up. But price doesn't always follow fundamentals immediately. Markets are irrational, especially in crypto. This could be a classic case of, buy the rumor, sell the news, or maybe the market is simply waiting for Bitcoin to stop chopping before altcoins catch a bid. The bullish pennant Klondike identified is textbook. Tightening consolidation, decreasing volatility, and volume drying up. These are the ingredients for a breakout, but pennants can break either direction, and with sentiment this fragile, honestly, I'd wait for confirmation above 0.0175 before entering aggressively. If Bitcoin stumbles, VET will stumble harder. That's just how altcoins work. Sunny Liu mentioned that fashion companies are, motivated to reduce fraud, ensure authentic products are sold to maximize revenue, and create additional engagement opportunities in the secondary market. That's just corporate speak for, we're losing money to counterfeiters and blockchain fixes it. The resale market for luxury goods is honestly massive, and brands definitely want a piece of that pie. VeChain gives them the infrastructure to track, verify, and monetize the entire product lifecycle. What's clever here is the combination of NFC chips, QR codes, and RFID technology. It's not just blockchain for blockchain's sake, it's a seamless integration that actually enhances the customer experience. You buy a Lululemon jacket, scan the tag, and instantly verify it's authentic. No middleman, no guesswork. That's the kind of utility that sticks. If VeChain can scale this model to other brands, we're honestly talking about a paradigm shift in how retail operates. But, hey, let's not get carried away. VET is down over 90% from its 2021 highs, and yeah, volume is anemic. Partnerships are great, but they don't guarantee price appreciation. The crypto market is fickle, and VeChain needs more than just enterprise deals. It needs retail interest, liquidity, and honestly, a Bitcoin bull run to lift all boats. The Renaissance upgrade and StarGate staking program are definitely steps in the right direction. The market needs to see sustained on-chain growth before capital flows back into VET. So, where does this leave us? VeChain is building, enterprise adoption is accelerating, and, technical indicators suggest a potential breakout. But trading volume is weak, sentiment is cautious, and Bitcoin is still the puppet master. If you're bullish on real-world blockchain utility, VeChain is one of the few projects actually delivering tangible results. If you're looking for a quick 10 times, this probably isn't your play. At least not yet. Keep an eye on that $0.0173 level. If VET breaks above with volume, Klondike's $0.022 target becomes realistic. If it loses 0.0165, we could see another leg down. Risk management is everything here. Thanks for watching, fam. If you enjoyed this breakdown, definitely check out my other videos on altcoin setups and market analysis. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you bullish on VET, or is this just more noise? Catch you in the next one. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing I say should be considered financial advice. Crypto is volatile, unpredictable, and you can lose everything. Do your own research, manage your risk, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Stay safe out there.